porcelain lights, I'm strolling around.
Our first vlog, yes. Done. What you doing?
I'm looking for measuring stuff.
So, today we're attempting our first Vlogmas. Don is in the kitchen. What are you doing, Don? You're making a lot of noise. Don is the nicest person I've ever seen when he's in the kitchen. Very, very nice man.
I never heard a quiet kitchen, not even in a hospital.
Don, so tell them what you're doing.
Oh, well,
Why is it so white?
I'm going to guide the
See how
kids.
white it is?
Mm-hmm.
Let me fix that.
What we're going to do today is bake 3 types of cookies. I've assigned 1 cookie per child. We have 3 children big enough to bake a cookie. We're going to start off with oatmeal raisins, and that follow up with peanut butter, and then lastly chocolate chip.
What are you and Elijah making though?
We're making oatmeal raisin cookies.
Okay, peanut butter. Alexandra, what are you doing?
Say nothing.
She's laughing. Baking?
What is baking?
This is our first Vlogmas. We're going to try it out a bit.
Are you kidding me?
What?
I can always keep up. I can keep up with anything.
I know, Don.
I get these cookies out before 12. Come on.
What time is it anyway? So this is Danielle. I think you met Danielle before. And this is Alexandra. Say hello. You going to say hello? 3:25. She's not in the mood. Okay, so let's get baking.
Yeah, let's get baking.
Excited? Are you excited? Do you want to bake with Daddy? Yeah? Yeah? Alexandra, do you want to bake? Yeah? You going to help bake? Hi, Mama. Who is that little cutie? Okay, so I'm going to wash her hair. Tomorrow I'll be filming a video washing the girls' hair and treating it. Also, I'm going to film washing Elijah's hair. You don't like that part, do you?
Boo.
No, Elijah don't like for his hair to be washed.
Creamy method, right? Mm-hmm. So that means that we have to add the butter, the sugar, the salt, and then we're going to add the egg, and then we're going to add the vanilla extract, then we're going to add the milk, and all this powder stuff, you're going to add that later, okay? Okay, it's a little crowded here. 8 ounces of brown sugar.
It's your recipe?
Yeah, it's my recipe. But I'm halving the recipe. It's supposed to be even more, so we're not going to make that much.
You're going to make, yeah.
All right. Here, you hold it. This is a 1/2 teaspoon. Hold it straight. All right, let's lock this down. Let's just start off with a stir. Okay? So we got to wait till this is creamed together with the butter and the sugar together. Okay? So I'm going to turn it up just a little bit. So we don't take all night.
Does it fly?
Does it fly? Can pigs fly? Okay. So we're going to let that run for about a minute. I'm going to take one of these eggs that we had sit out for room temperature. What's now?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm going to turn it down for a stir. All right? Now you add that egg. Just pour it on the side.
Right here?
Mm-hmm. Real close to the side. Real close to the side. All right. Okay, we'll take that. What's over here? Now we're going to turn this up one more time. We'll use 1. So this, kind of hold it over there against the thing in case you miss it. Yeah. Okay. No? All right, put that in there. Okay.
That's liquid.
Yeah, it's liquid. Now here's the part. Once this is mixed up,
Yeah.
1 ounce of milk. So we're going to use a 1/2 ounce of milk. And guess what? 1 tablespoon is 1/2 ounce. So hold that. Again, hold it over there. And we're going to pour this a tablespoon, which is a 1/2 ounce. Pour that in there. tools. Put this over here.
So what am I baking?
You're not baking anything.
You'll burn the cookies. It burned right there when
What would burn the cookies?
You. That's what she was saying.
I wouldn't burn the cookies.
you burn the chicken.
That.
Oh,
Don't
okay.
forget the hash browns
Okay.
too.
Ooh, man, this is bringing you.
Okay.
This is bringing up everything you.
Okay. To ever cook for them anymore.
Okay, yeah.
I would.
No, what about the
Are you
rice
kidding
and
me?
peas?
So I won't be
Just
cooking
being
them.
honest.
Being honest about what? What's wrong with my cooking?
Everything.
What? Name one thing.
The bacon.
The bacon.
Yeah, you burn everything.
Like
And then
what?
the frying, you burn it too.
The rice and peas.
So I won't ever cook for you again.
You make the rice
Okay.
and peas and
Are you kidding? Tomorrow I'm going to start cooking for 1 week. 1 week. How you guys feel about that?
I'm okay with it.
You okay?
Yeah, because I know
Okay.
you don't burn everything, honey. This, I don't know where this child is coming from.
Daniel, what do you think about? Are you crying? What do you think about me cooking for a whole week? She's crying, Don.
I don't want your food.
You don't want my food? Why?
I want daddy's food.
What's wrong with my
You
food?
don't have any sweets in it.
you make the rice.
Just because of sweets?
No.
What?
You burn it, there's no flavor. Sometimes it's cooked.
Oh my gosh! There's no flavor? Are you kidding me? No, Daniel, be serious. There's no flavor?
I mean, the only
Elijah, hand me a
flavor you
plastic
use
bag
is
from up under
curry
there, please.
and jerk, and that's it.
Only when I'm cooking Jamaican food?
Yeah, but you can't cook American food. I like American food.
You could probably cook what's it called, French fries.
Aisha, be honest. What do you think about me cooking for the whole week?
That would be nice. But except for American food, you could just make like Jamaican breakfast.
American, we don't get any pancakes if it's Jamaican. We'll probably make jerk pancakes.
Daniel, don't be rude.
For jerk chicken.
Don't this Jamaican food.
Okay, now baking soda, we're gonna put
you can make it
0.25, so that's a quarter. We're gonna use 1/16, so we're gonna just use one with that. All right, like 1/8 of a teaspoon. All right, you got that. All right. Now,
What are you doing?
stop, because
Daddy.
you're gonna make me drop this, girl. Stop the foolishness, girl. Okay. And stir it up without making a mess.
Over the table.
No. Dun-dun-dun. You don't love me, and I know. And if you ask me, I know you do. Dun, dun, dun.
Come catch me.
You ham. Here.
You are, but wherever you are, near or far, outside my door or in some airport bar, I still wish you the merriest Christmas. I hope
3/4 cup of sugar, which is a little bit over half, 1/4 of a half. So we're talking about 4 ounces plus 5 ounces of sugar. Alright. So it says what again?
Say hello.
Whisk first 3 ingredients together. So that's that. Let me give you a whisk.
No, you can't burst
All right,
my
so
shit.
set that to the side. Read the rest. Let's drop back down here. It says beat
The sugar.
the sugar and the butter in the bowl. So let's put all the sugar in there. You want to put that in there, or you want me to grab it? And let me wipe the counter up a little bit. I'm gonna try to.
The oatmeal.
Well, let me check your oatmeal. Oh wow, this stuff is. You were able to do this?
Yeah.
Man, you must be strong. All right, so.
Alexandra, like seriously. Stop trying to pop my chain, man. Leave my chain alone.
Right, so get as many as you can, but keep it on this paper here, right? It's very important. Keep it on the parchment paper.
of the ground up. A beautiful wife, 2 kids, and a dog pup. Still sometimes I wonder if you're near or off yonder, though I couldn't tell you.
So this is the peanut butter cookie. And oh my goodness, it's looking so good. Actually, it smells so good. I don't like peanut.
It will be all that you dream.
How much product you got left? Okay, that's good.
Right here is right. Like this.
Yeah, it's gonna be one ugly cookie, but it's okay. You need any help, Elijah?
Probably, yeah.
Put a little bit more product on the little ones. These here?
Yeah.
Yeah, let me see.
Do I use my hands since I washed them?
Hmm?
Do I use my hands since I washed them?
Yeah, you can.
Why doesn't it spread?
Hmm?
Why doesn't it spread?
It's gonna spread. It's not gonna spread as much as this. That's the
Aren't you gonna move it over?
Hmm?
Aren't you gonna move it over?
Move what over? The paper?
No, the cookie.
Wish you the merriest Christmas. I hope it will be all
Tomorrow,
I get
I'm
a
start-
break.
excited for that food.
I'm excited and scared at the same time.
Okay, so let us start with the good first. What are you excited about?
Oh, the fact that I can sit back and relax, and that I know I'm going to have some very good tasting food because you know how to cook. You know, so it's just getting you to cook.
But the thing is, okay, this is it. I'm actually not cooking anything Jamaican food.
You know?
All type of other country food. I actually don't know
When
exactly.
you say other country, you mean like Kingston, Montego Bay,
Stop.
Ocho Rios? What do you mean other country?
Stop. So how you feel about that?
How do I feel about that? Not so much nervous. The only nervous is not that you can't pull it off, but that I might be asked to assist when I'm trying to relax. I'm trying to take as much of the relaxation thing as if I was on vacation. Like I took a vacation to another country, possibly Jamaica, and I'm just sitting back and getting served, man. You know what I'm saying? That's what I'm looking at.
Okay, so the thing is, I'm not going to tell them exactly what I'm making. So for tomorrow Sunday, I'm cooking. Stop it. So for tomorrow Sunday, I'm doing breakfast, lunch, dinner, and dessert.
Mm-hmm. In the culinary school, you call this a mystery box.
God, please. But Monday through Saturday, it's just going to be dinner. So I'm not touching breakfast and lunch. So you're still not getting. Because I don't want to overwhelm myself. Can I put it?
You overwhelm yourself. Okay. What'll I do?
Okay. So I wonder. Okay. But the thing is, if I'm going, because it was going to be for a day, and I decided why not just give down a whole week because you work throughout the day, and just to give you a break. But I don't think breakfast. I want to be a part of breakfast because that's too hard. And when I wake up in the morning, I just want my breakfast. And I love when Dad made my breakfast. What am I getting as a present? Just to thank me for... Stop looking like...
What?
So, okay, I want an appreciation gift. A present for cooking for the week. Don't you think I'm going to deserve it?
Let me say it. Let me put it this way.
Okay.
You lost your mind.
And I've wanted something for like 2 months now.
Okay.
And may I have it?
What is it?
It's not that it's not that it's something.
I hope that's the cookies I'm smelling. Excuse me for a second. Let's be realistic. In the 14 years that I get up every morning.
Why are you talking like that? No.
Now I want to go into my character world now. I get up every morning. 14 years. And do I ask you for anything? Do I ask for a present?
But you're a chef.
I'm a chef, but chefs get paid.
Well, I give you a lot.
That's not currency that I can bank.
You put the name of it. What, Don?
No,
Calm down.
I'm calming down. I'm selling my heart. I don't want to pass out in front of these people. What?
No, stop. Stop, Don. Stop. It's not that bad.
I think those zeros in the wrong place.
No.
Did you get like did you shake or something?
Stop.
There's so many zeros there.
It's not a lot of zeros.
That is. I can count.
It's not a lot.
Honey, there's 3 places.
No.
Christmas decorated in town. Among all the tinsel and lights, I'm strolling around, just wondering where you have gone to. Are you just around the corner or in Kathmandu? And whether or not you're with somebody new, still I wish.
Peanut butter biscuits. Actually cookies, but I call them biscuits. Here we have our
It's like
oatmeal.
health food cookies.
Yeah, this one is looking so good. I love this one.
Alright,
I
so
actually
listen.
love oatmeal biscuit.
I have nothing but love for you. You can trust that to be true. Yeah, I wish you the merriest Christmas.
So that's it for today. This is our first Vlogmas done. How do you think we did?
I think we did okay. You know, it was, kids did really good in baking.
Yeah. Yeah, we try our best. I mean, we're not vloggers. I mostly like to just put the camera down and film, but I decided to try this Vlogmas. Hope we can actually keep up with it, because it's a lot to like film and try to edit the same day. And you have children. It's my heart goes out to all those families that lost loved ones, and you know, we just pray for them. God is so good. We love you guys. I hope you did enjoy this video, and please don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to our channel, and please don't forget to remember to walk in love, stay in love, and stay connected to God. And you do have a lovely day. Thank you.